Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit urban photos using Lightroom Mobile. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss any videos and amazing presets. And if you want to get the preset for free, check the instructions in description. Here are some before and after sample pictures using this filter. Now, let's get started. First, go to Light. Decrease the exposure to about -0.20. Increase the contrast to about +50. Bring the highlights down to about -25. Bring up the shadows to +50. Decrease the whites to -80. Increase the blacks to about +30. Now go to Curve and follow these steps. And done. Now go to Color. Decrease the temperature to -4. Increase the vibrance to about +50. Decrease the saturation to about -10. Then go to Mix. Decrease the hue to about -14 for red. Saturation to -50. And increase the luminance to +14. Go to Orange. Decrease the hue to about -10. Saturation to -50. Increase the luminance to about +26. Go to Yellow. Decrease the hue up to -100. Saturation to about -40. Increase the luminance to about +26. Decrease the saturation up to -100 for green. Aqua. Blue. Purple. And magenta. And done. Now go to Effect. Increase the clarity to about +60. Dehaze to about +20. Decrease the vignette to about -20. Midpoint to about 10. And increase the feather up to +100. Go to Split Tone. Increase the hue to about 220 and saturation to about 10 for highlights. Increase the hue to about 219 and saturation to about 5 for shadows. And balance to about +30. And done. Now go to Details. Increase the sharpening to about 30. Masking to about 5. Noise reduction to about 35. And finally color noise reduction to about 5. Let's apply this preset to other photos. for watching, and check out these cool presets.